Hey, welcome into the Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we have a mail day. Who's it from? Well, it's from James Hewitt, HewittzHotWheelz. He has these drawings where you buy stickers, and each sticker that you buy, you get entered into a drawing for cars. This happens to be a 1/18th Pagani car. I think its value was $275, $300, something like that. Something outrageous. And something I wouldn't normally buy for myself, but I won. So we're going to open it today and see what it's like. Now, I'll try to put James's information up on the screen. So if you're interested in getting into the drawings, you can. Usually he does 50 spots in each drawing, and they're usually $4 a spot depending on what he's giving away. Sometimes more, like right now we've got ones in there for some Bigfoots that are more expensive, obviously. They're the 1/18th scale, and they're quite large. So right now they're $10 a spot. But yeah, this one was not. And they're taking one of these apart, so I guess we're kind of just winging it and seeing how it goes. Like I said, I don't normally buy something like this because I don't really have the money to spend on something like this. I do have a small collection, which I'll put up on the screen here in a little bit. But yeah, nothing like this. He told me in the video that this is probably going to be the most badass car I have in my collection. I'm not doubting it, to be honest. I've got like Maesto and Dub City and a few American Muscle, etc. But I don't have anything fancy like this. Step out of our way. Excuse my dogs. There we go. Got me here. I think it's how you pronounce it, Shisha. LCD models. Let's see what we got. I'm guessing that's the bottom. Oh boy. Some decals. Oh, it's all in a foreign language. It's not going to do me much good. Looks like I'm going to have to get a screwdriver though. Part for system over the side. There's a little bitty screwdriver. Some kind of spudger or something. Oh look, it came with a screwdriver. Ain't that nice of them? If I can get it out. Here, we'll use this one. There we go. Nice. Gotta love it when it comes with the tools to put together. A few parts, not too bad. I'm praying I don't hear a crash. Young. Well, where's the screws? I must say it's packed extremely well. Oh, yeah. Oh my lord. Look at the detail on that. Now that's a model. Like I said, the ones I'm in my other room, yeah, they're nowhere near this detailed or fancy. That's sharp. Get this stuff out of the way here before I end up dropping and breaking something. I am a klutz sometimes. See what parts we have here. What is that? Looks like something came off here. So it just pops back in wherever it goes. Alright. That's pretty self-explanatory, I think. Okay, looks like there's one of these wings on the back that popped out. If we can get it popped back in, we'll be alright. Scoop. I'm guessing. You put it on first. Just like so. That's it. That is beautiful. Now the question is, how am I going to fit it in my cabinet? Yeah. You guys saw the cabinet right here in the video. All the box stuff is going to be going on top of the cabinet. Now see if I can have a special spot for this down below. And it will be a special spot because, yeah, that is the fanciest model car I've got. Hope you guys like it. If so, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And if you're interested in the drawings, by all means, check out HewittzHotWheelz. Google him. Like I said, you buy the stickers for whatever he's got going that week. Usually has 5 different things that you can choose from if he's got them all going at the same time. Usually has at least 1 or 2 going, though. Like I said, usually $4 a spot, 50 spots. Covers the shipping and everything. So, yeah. And you'll get a bunch of stickers. And for every sticker that you buy, you get this 1 spot. Check them out. Come join us. Have some fun. And maybe you too can win something like this. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.